Hello everyone. With this tutorial, I'm trying to introduce a new method for snipping an image with transparency. As you know, for screen capturing, we have a snipping tool along with Windows operating system. And for activating the snipping tool, normally we have to press start button, then Windows accessories, and within that you will be getting the snipping tool. In the description part of the window, you can see the company prompts us to use a new version of snipping tool titled Snip and Sketch, and it also describes a shortcut method to activate this facility without activating the window, and it is Windows logo key, normally we call it start button, plus shift and S. So let us activate that particular facility. I am pressing Windows logo button plus shift and S. Automatically the screen goes into a mask mode. Suppose I want to get an irregular image shape. First of all, we have to activate that image. So here I am taking an image and activating the Snip and Sketch tool with start, shift and S. So now the window is masked and you can see 4 icons here. As in the snipping tool, here also we have got 4 different modes of selection. First one is it is regular form, that is rectangular, then it's the irregular form, it's free form, and third one is window snipping, and fourth one is the entire screen, the desktop including the desktop. Okay, so here what I need is freeform snip. Then I want to select the lighthouse and the land area that lighthouse is standing. So I am selecting that area only. Accuracy is up to the user. So almost the selection is complete apart from the border. See, that much part is selected. Now the selected area will be automatically transferred, that is copied onto clipboard. Now I'm moving on to include the same inside a PowerPoint image. Instead of that platform, I want to place the lighthouse. So since the image clipped is already in the clipboard, I just have to paste it onto the image. For that, either you may use Ctrl V or here and paste it. See, apart from the selected area, the rest of the area is transparent. So I'm making the image in the right place and placing it over the platform. So the image is modified and is up to our expectation. By this way, you are able to mix or blend more images into a single screen, and this feature could be used in any slide, even along with text. I am doing the same thing in a page where text is placed. I am pasting the same object and placing it on the border just to make it more better. So here you can see the background image, as you can see through the text. Here within the image transparent portion also you will be able to see the background portion. Suppose you want to include the logo of our college into the current page. Let us activate a page or a screen with our college logo. Then using the same buttons, Windows logo, Shift and S, we'll be able to activate the Snip and Sketch tool. Then select the required area only. Then move on to PowerPoint and paste it. Here also you can see that the background image is visible through the transparent area in the selected image. So this is how it works. Now I introduce one more advanced feature of Snip and Sketch. For that I am repeating the same operation, selecting the logo with the help of the application. So I am activating Snip and Sketch application. Then here I am pressing new in the toolbar. From the available desktop I am selecting the area. It's a circular one, the logo. As I mentioned earlier, accuracy depends on the user. Then that much portion will be made available in the application working space. So here the advantage is you can save the image for later use. See, when you click on save button, you are permitted to save the image in 3 different varieties of images. First one, normally we are familiar with, is JPG. Here I am saving the image in JPG format. Now I am taking the same option. I am saving the image in PNG also. You can see those two images here. See the difference. In the JPG image, transparency will not be available, but in the PNG you can save the image with the transparency intact. So let us try to introduce these two images into the PowerPoint we already created. So introducing JPG into the slide will give you an opaque image, whereas if you are introducing the image of PNG extension, the transparency will be there. So Snip and Snatch also permit us to save a snipped image with transparency intact in the PNG format. Keep in mind that this transparency will be available only in PNG type of files. Hope this tutorial is useful to you.